we are starting with some breaking news coming in. The Niti Aayog has now released a statement on the myths being circulated over the COVID vaccines on a point-by-point basis. The statement details the centre's efforts to procure vaccines from abroad. Meanwhile, Niti Aayog has also detailed the role being taken by the centre to increase production of vaccine. Let me go across to my colleague Pragya, who's joining us live from the newsroom. Pragya, over to you. Please share more of what the Niti Aayog is stating. Alright, we'll try to go back to my colleague Pragya, but Niti Aayog has just now released a statement on the myths being circulated over the COVID vaccines on a point-by-point basis. Remember, there are several points that have been raised by the Niti Aayog, even as the vaccination drive is still underway, and there has been shortages reported in several states, but at the same time, the statement details the centre's efforts to procure vaccines from abroad. Meanwhile, the Niti Aayog has also detailed the role being taken by the centre to increase production of vaccines as well. These are some of the points that have been raised. One of the myths that have also been raised is to ease the entry of multiple vaccines in the country as well.
I saw Sambit Patra addressing a briefing, also busting myths and facts on some allegations and also allegations raised by the opposition on vaccine procurement done by the centre. Now we have this report by Niti Aayog busting myths and facts step by step. The report says that these myths are arising due to distorted statements, half-truths and blatant lies. The first myth is on centre not doing enough to buy vaccines. This is what has been addressed in the report by Niti Aayog. It says that the government has continuously been engaged with major international vaccine manufacturers right from mid-2020. The second myth it's busting is centre has not approved vaccines available globally. It says that the central government has proactively eased entry of vaccines approved by US, FDA, EMA, UK's MHRA and Japan's PMDA. The third myth it's addressing is centre is not doing enough to ramp up domestic production of vaccines, an allegation that we have seen doing rounds in the past few days. The centre says to this is that it's playing the role of an effective facilitator to enable more companies to produce vaccines, again from the early 2020. Fourth myth it busts is the myth says centre should invoke compulsory licensing. Centre says compulsory licensing is not a very attractive option since it is not formula that matters, but active partnership, training of human resources, sourcing of raw materials, and highest levels of biosafety labs which is required. It has gone on to also address the myth that centre has abdicated its responsibility to the states. The centre says that...
So Pragya, several points that have now been raised by the Niti Aayog, and they have been detailed as to what kind of steps have been taken, and also busting several myths as far as India's vaccination drive and policy is concerned. Many thanks, Pragya, for getting us that update.